Hi, my name's Danielle Collins and I'm the world-leading face yoga expert, and I'm going to share with you some of my favourite techniques for lifting, firming and toning the neck area. Now the key with face yoga is to do the techniques on a daily basis, so you'll really want to keep these up very regularly. I'd also recommend that you do a daily structured whole face program, so working on all the key muscles in the face and on the skin for the whole of the face and the neck. So if you would like to do that, you can use one of my apps. Just search Danielle Collins on your app store and you'll see two of my apps. You can choose which one you would like, $9.99 for each of the apps, and it's a one-off fee, and you can enjoy a daily structured program with one of those for life. But certainly use these techniques today as a taster, and if you can, get into the habit of doing them regularly as well as your whole face workout. So let's get started with our first technique. We're just going to squeeze our shoulder blades together and push out our chest, and we're going to link our fingers together like this behind the back. So really stretch the arms out, squeeze the shoulder blades, push out through the chest. Then you're just going to tilt the head back. You're going to put the lips together and you're going to bring the tip of the tongue up towards the roof of the mouth 20 times. So let's do that together now. Good, and slowly come back down. If you need to shake the arms out, do so. Then bring your arms back into position. Squeeze your shoulder blades together. Push out your chest. Lift your arms as far away from your lower back as you comfortably can. Remember, work to your own level with all of the techniques. Tilt your head back as far as is comfortable, lips together, and then again, let's do this together 20 times with the tip of the tongue up towards the roof of the mouth. Slowly come back down. Then just bring your fingers onto your collarbone, tilt your head back. You're then just going to stick your bottom lip out a little bit and hold this position. Let's hold for 3 deep breaths now. Come back to your starting position. So with that technique and the previous one, you should feel this big platysma muscle at the front of the neck working. Let's take that again. Tilt the head back, 3 deep breaths. Good, and let's just finish with a massage technique. So just going to tap all the way over the neck area. Nice and gently working with boosting the blood flow as you slightly tilt the head back again. And then just tap underneath this area, helping with that circulation, brightening the skin, helping to boost the collagen and the elastin in this area. Then just stroking up and just bring your hands gently down. And a few of my top tips to keep this neck area looking firm and lifted are doing your daily face yoga, of course, always wearing a sunscreen of SPF 30 or above on the neck area, and of course the face and the décolletage area as well. Making sure you remember to moisturize this area in the neck. It's very easy to forget that, but before bed in particular, and if you can do it in the morning under your sunscreen as well, that will really help. Posture is really important for a good neck, so just bringing your phone up to this sort of level when you're looking at it, rather than just bringing your chin down. This really creases the neck, actually makes the skin very saggy here, so holding your neck up higher helps a lot in that way. Also, just being aware of tension you're holding in your shoulders. Just keep the shoulders in a nice neutral position and be aware of your posture. Also, taking steps to reduce stress is important. If we're having a lot of stress, then we actually can break down the collagen and elastin in our skin, those plumping agents. So taking time each day to relax is important as well. Drinking lots of water, trying to reduce things like sugar and caffeine and alcohol are really important as well. And of course, staying out the sun. So using that SPF, wearing a hat, trying to shade this area from the sun is super important as well. So if you'd like more information on face yoga, you can visit faceyogaexpert.com, or you can follow me on Instagram at faceyogaexpert, or on Facebook, The Face Yoga Expert. I look forward to seeing you again next time. Bye bye.